How to install vTiger CRM on Windows 10 in 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about vTiger's open source platform and how you're going to install it onto your Windows 10 or Windows 11 in the easiest and most simplest way. So, obviously, first of all, before downloading it, you are going to want to make sure to get an account for it. Now, to get an account, make sure to check the link in the description below because it provides you with a free account on vTiger's CRM. Now, once you've created an account using the link in the description below, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to download it over here. And once it's downloaded, this is what the zip file is going to look like. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to our file explorer. We're going to make sure to export our RAR file. And once the RAR file is exported, in it, you're going to find the proper setup and exe file for your vTiger. So I'm simply going to wait for everything to be fully exported. And once it's done, you can go over into it and you can see all of the files that it provides you. So once all of this is done, you're simply going to go over to the exe file that it's going to provide us. And from there, you can pretty much start off by using this incredible platform. Now, here you can see there's a lot of different PHP files and everything. Now, those are the main data files, all right? So we're not going to go in that. Now, to install your vTiger, the community at vTiger have given you proper steps. So these are the prerequisites that you already need to have. So Apache 2.1, MySQL, PHP. So these are all coding languages that you're going to need to have. So make sure you have all these prerequisites. And after that, the procedure is to get your LAMP, WAMP, and MAMP configured that meets the above prerequisites. Now, once you've met all those, unzip your vTiger into the web folder or document root and make sure to provide writable access to Apache Process Owner on your web folder. And once we have done all of that over here, what you're going to do is you're going to visit this page that they give you. Now, once you do that, from there, the wizard will connect to your CRM and it should automatically configure all of these details because once you download vTiger CRM and access it on your own server or web page, you should be good to go from there. So that's the main idea of vTiger. And again, if you want to use this incredible platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to start access of it right now. But yeah, that is pretty much how you're going to install vTiger on your Windows 10. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.